Hey friends, and welcome back to the channel. Today we will be making some no-bake fruit parfaits. This dessert right here is perfect for any time of the year and is super easy to make. You'll start off by crushing about 2 cups of Lorna Doone shortbread cookies. Once you've crushed those up, set those over to the side. To a medium-sized mixing bowl, add a 3.4 ounce box of vanilla pudding to your bowl and 2 cups of milk. Next, you will use a wire whisk and stir that up until it's nice and thick. Here I have some parfait bowls that are see-through, and I love these bowls because it shows those layers. Our first step is to add some of our crushed Lorna Doone cookies to the bottom of your parfait bowl. Add some of your vanilla pudding to the top of that and spread that out the best that you can. Here we're adding some blueberries to cover the top of the pudding mix. Add some more pudding, and then we'll add some strawberries to the top of that. You will repeat these steps until you have 4 parfaits ready to go into the fridge. Just before serving, you will want to take a can of whipped topping and place that all over the top of your parfait. Add a sliced strawberry and a few blueberries to the top. Enjoy, y'all!